How to change the category of a TikTok profile. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do so. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of your TikTok app. Open up your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in TikTok. In case you see update sign here, tap on update, and once you do so, tap open it. Make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account, then go onto your profile on your bottom right. In order to change the category of your profile, you need to have a business account. If you don't have a business account, here is what you can do to switch it. Tap on three bar icon on your top right and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on account, and here if you have a personal account, you will see switch to business account. Just tap onto it and follow the on-screen prompt to switch it back. Now, as we already have a business account, let's go back and tap on edit profile. Here scroll below and you will see category under action buttons. Tap open the option of category and choose any category that you would like and that best suits your business. Once done, tap on save. Refresh your page and just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.